Welcome to this stunning home on Broad Bay Island in Virginia Beach. This home offers an oversized concrete driveway and sidewalks, as well as 2 gravel parking spaces on each side of the driveway. You are greeted by a cozy covered front porch with brick steps and black Trex railing. The front entrance showcases fiberglass coastal package entry doors and double-hung insulated vinyl windows with screens. Enjoy the extra space of this bonus room that could be used as a study, library, playroom, or office since it is pre-wired for internet. You can see as you enter from the foyer the beautiful character of the home with craftsman-style wood interior trim package.